Hello, I am Maya Michael, a one-year MBA candidate from Lakeland, Florida, and my teammate is Maya Mitchell, a one-year MBA candidate from Tampa, Florida, and we would like to welcome you back to this educational journey about groups and teams. So guys, unfortunately, we have come to the end of our educational journey about groups and teams. Once again, we hope that you've enjoyed your journey. We hope that you've taken some information that you didn't know before, and we hope that you share this journey with other individuals. Just as a recap of the series, so far we've covered the difference between groups and teams, the different types of groups, the different stages of group development, and finally today we're going to discuss the different types of teams. If you're interested in any of the topics that I've listed, go ahead and check out those previous videos, and of course check this one out. So guys, let's get started. As I previously stated, teams are mature groups that share a common purpose, responsibility, and accountability for achieving performance goals. Alright, so the first type of team is a problem-solving team, and this kind of sounds self-explanatory, but the definition is it's a team formed to address a specific problem. So problem-solving teams can either be created to deal with a current organizational problem or created to deal with a future organizational problem. If they are set up to deal with a current problem, then the team was made to only be temporary. An example of a permanent problem-solving team is a quality circle, and this is a team of employees committed to recommending and implementing work and product improvements and solving quality-related problems. Problem-solving teams are being used more often because organizations have realized that teams significantly outperform individual efforts. The second type of team is a cross-functional team, which is a team that consists of members from different functional departments in an organization. A good example of a cross-functional team is when an organization requires a team to develop a new product. The team is going to need people from marketing to understand what the consumer wants. The team is going to need people for finance because they need to know how they're going to finance this product. The team is going to need people from production and operations to see how they're going to develop and produce the product. And then finally, they're going to need people from human resources as well. The third type of team is the virtual team. And that is a group of individuals who use technologies to work across location and time boundaries to accomplish an interdependent goal. Many organizations have begun to implement virtual teams into their business model. One, because it's a lot less costly due to lower real estate expenses, and two, because work can be done in any location at any time. As you can imagine, virtual teams do have their challenges. Number one, it's harder for team leaders to perform motivational and team building roles because everyone is dispersed geographically. Also, team leaders will have a tough time developing team unity because of the geographical dispersion of their team. The next type of team is research and development teams, and they are teams created to develop new products. Research and development teams are cross-functional in nature, and they are typically seen in high-tech industries. Some companies set up R&D teams to expedite innovation and create new product designs quicker. The work that these R&D teams do is called Skunkworks, which is a secretive research and development project that operates outside of normal company operations to create innovative products quicker. So essentially, individuals a part of these types of teams work day in and day out, outside of the typical business operation hours and for a multitude of days, just to make sure that products are designed quickly. The final type of team that we're going to discuss is self-managed teams. A self-managed team is a small team of individuals empowered to perform activities with minimal outside directions. Although self-managed teams sound amazing in theory, they're not always effective in every organization, and they are not always effective for every individual within an organization. A few quick tips to understand before implementing self-managed teams in an organization is number one, make sure teams are consistent with the organization's business requirements. Number two, make sure teams are consistent with the organization's values and goals. And finally, make sure teams are consistent with the organization's competencies. So guys, the time has come and the end is near. We hope you've enjoyed this educational journey about groups and teams. We hope you took away a plethora of knowledge, and we also hope that you share this video with individuals who may be interested in learning about groups and teams. Thank you so much for watching our videos, and see you when we see you. And oh guys, just as a reminder, I am Maya Michael, a one-year MBA candidate from Lakeland, Florida, and my teammate is Maya Mitchell, a one-year MBA candidate from Tampa, Florida. Thanks again for watching. See you.